Hi, James. Say hey.
You gonna speak some more?
Are you gonna talk? Tell us all about it. Go da 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 da. Really? We're gonna go for a walk. Do you wanna go for a walk?
For a walk with Mommy and Daddy?
Yeah?
What do you think about that, huh?
Why don't you show everyone how you crawl so well? And from on the ground. Okay, come here. Come here. Oh, look what I got. Okay, take that away, Matt. Here. Okay, Jim. Now what are you gonna do? Huh? You gonna talk some more? Or are you gonna? Oh, bless you. Bless you. How about you show everyone how well you stand up? You wanna put them over there?
Yep. Hey, you wanna stand up on something?
Over by the TV. Put him down and let him.
Oh, no, not pull that out. Stand up here. See this? See this? Uh-oh, it's gonna get his hand up there first.
Go ahead, go up.
Gotta get a hand up there. Oh, 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 look at that. Oh, is he gonna get his hand up there? Oh. Can you let go? Can you risk letting go?
Hey.
Oh, look at that. He's
Oh, your one hand's in it, huh? Boom. What are you gonna do now?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, bite it if you can't get your arm there.
Can you reach your arm around, huh? Or are you still too afraid to let go, huh?
Hey, Jim. Say hi. Can you talk some more? Tell us what we're gonna do today. Are we gonna go out? Are we gonna go out for a walk? What else are we gonna do today, huh? Okay. Well, if you're not gonna say anything, we're gonna say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you say bye-bye? Go da 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 da.
Bye-bye.
Go da 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 da. Alright, I love you. Goodbye.